baby. Hit it.
Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're heading to Tiendesitas and we're gonna explore there, and I don't know what we're going to do for today. It's random, but hopefully I can have my nails done or at least my hair colored. We'll check it out later. Let's go mga beshies! We're gonna try the food here. Anong tawag dito? SM siya, under SM. So there are a lot of foods here. Siomai. Ay, siomai pala nandito. The store. Daming siomai. Different style. Then there's some sushi and salads. Merong ganito din. Yummers, let's go! Order this mga beshi, shark fin. Let's try! Malalaki siya mga beshies. Hello mga beshi, I'm eating the shell kebab. So the price of this is 180 pesos. And it's so yummy. Let's eat mga beshi. Mga tubo kamay. 10 out of 10. Hydrate myself more for 2025.
Bali 950 po lahat.
Nice color. May card. Yeah, nice color. Mom and Clary helped me decide to buy this color with the handle. My favorite. That's what I ordered. Hello mga beshies. This is my favorite dessert from Avocadoria. So it comes with avocado ice cream, some ano to? Pearls, and then there is some chia seeds, crushed almonds. I think there is milk, like evaporated milk, and there's a graham seeds, like crushed graham as well. So ganito siya mga beshi. And it cost like magkano kalali? 130 for 8 ounce. So kain tayo mga beshi. So meron din siyang fresh avocado slices. Ito. Let's try. Harap.
I think it also has graham.
Kaya nga sabi ko fresh graham.
What about it?
Oh my god, this is my favorite talaga mga beshi. I love avocado talaga. This is 11 out of 10 for me. Magnesium. So masarap to para sa pagtulog. Kasi magnesium. Very healthy, no?
Favorite.
Kumakain ba kayo nito?
Okay, 130.
Ah, talaga? Ah, malaki. Pag okay si Clary, for sure malaki yan. Let's enjoy mga beshies. Mga beshies, I'm gonna buy the strawberry tanghulo here from Tiendesitas because my mom, I think, is craving for this. So, yun, mga beshies. I'm gonna buy it. Let's go! Okay. Nails. I'm gonna try this as well. 9 fresh dessert. Ito. Hello mga beshi. So we just came back from Tiendesitas and I ordered sisig from the Kapitan Sisig. And then I also ordered fresh 9 fresh desserts. So I'm gonna let you know what's my feedback later. So let's eat na mga beshies. Ang ingay nila, pinapainit na nala yung tumbong ko.
Ngayon ako bumili.
Hindi, mag-8 pa rin, 15 minutes pa.
Hindi, pero ngayon nga ako bumili. Kararating ko lang. Kasi baka...
So, sabihan ko kayo how's mga feedback.
Ayoko nang malakbo pa.
Mga beshies. Similar din sa sisig hooray. Yummy. Yummy din. It's a 9 out of 10 for the lasa. Let's go. So, tapos na tayo sa sisig mga beshi. It's time to try the 9 fresh desserts recommended by my sister and my mom. So, I bought this for how much was that? Around 100 pesos. So, I'm gonna put the milk, fresh milk inside. So, it's time to try now mga beshi. This one is like the upgraded taho style from Taiwan. So, it comes with black pearls. And then, there is like glutinous, what's this? Glutinous balls inside. And then, there's the soy pudding. And then, what else? There's a grass jelly as well. And, yeah, it's time to try now, mga beshi. So, it's more of like, more on jelly and sago or black pearls. Let's try. Okay. It tastes like taho na upgraded version talaga siya. Sarap. Let's try the jelly. Yummers. Similar din siya sa ginataang bilo-bilo mga beshi. But it's like soy-based. 10 out of 10 to mga beshi. Look at it. Looks like that. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang healthy na dessert at sobrang sarap rin. So yun mga beshi, I'll just enjoy my cup and see you guys later. Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're celebrating the New Year here in the Philippines, in Pasig, Manila. So I'm preparing now the baked cheese tahong with garlic and butter. And mommy prepared a lot of food a while ago, like hamonado, menudo, and she prepared as well the carbonara and spaghetti. So we're gonna do the setup later on. So let's go mga beshi, come along with us and enjoy the new year. Let's go! Tindahan. Nakakamiss ang tindahan na ganyan. Bongga. This is all our handa mga beshi. So there is grilled mussel, menudo, the sauce for spaghetti, the pasta, then carbonara, hamonado, then there's some chips, and then of course the lucky fruits. So yun mga beshi, this is our food for New Year. We also have the coffee jelly, but it's in the fridge right now. Later on we will bring it out once we will have our dinner. Thank you mommy for preparing all the food. Love you. 2025 with good vibes. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Hello mga besties, I'm leaving home now and I'm going to hop in Ortigas. I'm gonna stay there for a day. So I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going na mga besties. Ito na yung mga manet. Okay, daddy. I will miss home. See you again. See you when I see you. Hello mga beshi, we're here in Tiendesitas and we're going to have our lunch. We just came from the hotel and now we're here in Tiendesitas to have lunch. Let's go! Ordered shark's fin and pork shawmai and I ordered frutas for my drink and we don't have mocha juice. Let's eat mga beshies! Tudong order pork chop, grilled pork chop and I ordered pork barbecue. Let's eat mga beshies and enjoy the food. Hi, Mr. First time to try the avocado lover from Avocadoria. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's avocado lover. Okay. Nice. What can you say about it?
Nice. Love it.
How would you rate it from 1 to 10? 10 out of 10? Because it's yummers.
Yummy.
Yeah, yummy in your tummy. Hope you like it.
Something different.
Yeah. Enjoy.
And it's good.
Yeah, super good. And healthy as well. Enjoy. Hello mga beshi. We just came back from our hotel and we were able to do last minute shopping in Tiendesitas. So now we're just gonna relax in our room. Quite tired because we also had our lunch there, so we're feeling sleepy right now. So let's just relax and enjoy the rest of our stay here in Manila. Let's go! Hello mga beshi! We fell asleep a while ago, so when I woke up, we just ordered some food from Manam. This is the podium brunch. So I ordered crispy pata with, I think, gising. This is how it looks like. So there's some crispy pata and gising and rice. So let's eat mga beshies. beshi. So we just finished our check-in, our luggage, and now we're heading to the immigration. So let's go mga beshies! So hello mga beshies! So we're boarding now. We're heading to Singapore. Tatay ng hair ko. So puyat mga beshies. And we're assigned in the emergency route. So we'll see what's going to happen. Let's go mga beshi. Bye Philippines. I'll miss you family. See you again soon. Love you all. Bye.
About 10:55 in the morning local time in Singapore. There's no time change between Manila and Singapore. The 07 watches is coming to 70 minutes past 10 in the morning in Singapore. Weather was Singapore, good weather, winds on and off, and the temperature on the ground reported at 29 degrees Celsius or 84 degrees on a Fahrenheit scale. Once again, on behalf of Singapore Airlines, Morocco, thank you for flying with us, and I wish everybody a happy new year. Thank you.
Hello, hello mga beshies. We're here now in Terminal 3 Changi Airport, and we haven't found our flight on the board, so we're just gonna go to the washroom right now and freshen up. So yun mga beshi, we just arrived in Singapore. We're just gonna wait for our boarding gate later. So yun, let's go mga beshies. There's more in there on that side. So we're looking for a restaurant where we can have our lunch right now because we're still waiting for our departure. Mga beshies. There's a lot of time. So yun. Mag-rice ka ba? Ayun, hanggang doon sa dulo. Yes, this one, no? Ito. Mains. Tingnan natin. Ah, ito. Pero ito nga yun, no? Premium. Dalawa. Hello mga beshi. So we're now having our lunch. I'm going to have the wonton noodle soup with some side dishes. And we're gonna try as well the Hainanese chicken rice. And of course, if you're here in Singapore, you have to drink the Milo. Let's enjoy mga beshies. We're going to the Butterfly Garden here at Changi Airport. Okay. Let's go inside. There's a lot of butterflies here. There's a pineapple and lots of flowers. There's more in there. There's the falls and there's more butterflies if you go downstairs.
with biometric passports may utilize the smart gates for immigration clearance. For further questions, kindly approach any immigration officer upon arrival. In preparation for arrival, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright, and fasten your seatbelt. Secure your tray table, handsets, and footrest, and ensure your window shades are drawn up. Please also note where the emergency exits are located. Thank you.
Yung mga beshi, we finally got our luggages and we're about to get out from the airport. I wasn't able to vlog that much because we're having a very exhausting flight. We had the layover in Singapore for 4 hours and we had around 8 hours of flight going from Singapore to Dubai. So, super exhausted na mga beshi. And we still have 2 hours to go from Dubai to Abu Dhabi. So yun mga beshies. I'll update you guys later. Let's go!
One, two, three, funky.